In this video, I'm going to teach you the Google AI Studio screen share on mobile. So in order to do that, head over first into this tab right here or this button. You can see in here the stream option. So head over and click onto the stream. You can do the talking or webcam. So in order to do this, you can click on this plus icon as well in order to activate some things. So on this part, let's head over and then enable streaming into our actual platform on Google Studio. To do this, head over right here and click on the webcam. Then choose in here allow while visiting the site. And then this will connect to the server. And as you can see right now, the stream is live. So you can enable this right here. And you can also enable and start typing and also enable your mic, and you can just enable the stream and do the same things that you want to do with this particular setup. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.